A registered agent is a person or company that receives official mail on behalf of your LLC. That includes things like legal notices, government letters, and service of process, which is the formal paperwork your business would receive if you were ever sued. Every LLC in Texas is required to have a registered agent. In Texas, your registered agent needs to have a physical street address in the state. A PO box doesn't work, and the registered agent needs to be available during normal business hours to receive documents. You have a couple of options here. You can be your own registered agent, and that's free, but the trade-off is that your name and home address can all become part of the public record, and you have to be personally available during business hours to receive that official documentation. It'll also take more time and more effort to file. The other option is to use a registered agent service, which handles all of this for you. And for most people, using the service just makes more sense. It keeps your personal address off of public records, you don't have to worry about being home to receive documents, and it keeps everything organized in one place. It's also not very expensive and usually well worth handling everything correctly so you don't have to worry about it. The service that I recommend is Northwest Registered Agent. Their basic package is $39. It includes your first year of registered agent service free, and they use their own Texas address so that your home address stays off public records. Their support is US-based, they scan your mail digitally, and they'll remind you when deadlines are coming up. If you've only followed along so far, and now you're ready to get started, remember to use the link in the description to get the best available price with Northwest Registered Agent.